We found out yesterday that the DJI Mavic Air actually will dodge obstacles while it's active tracking you. So what we're going to do today is we're going to go out on the trail and we're going to see how well it actually works. Stay tuned. Well, here we are, 7 months later, back at the same trail, and now we're going to test the obstacle avoidance of the new DJI Mavic Air. Really excited, same everything as the Spark video, so we're going to see if this can actually do better than the Spark. Now, something that is different from the Spark, and like we talked about yesterday, the Mavic Air actually has a whole slew of sensors that does front, rear, it does bottom, and with the new sensors, it will actually horizontally move out of the way of obstacles. We're gonna break this test down into 4 parts. We're gonna do a test without any interference, so just up and down this road here. I'm gonna do some running, then I'm gonna do some biking just to see how the active track works. Then we're gonna head into the trail where I'm gonna do a hike among the trees. If that goes well, then we'll hop on the mountain bike and do a mountain bike test going through it. So let's just get to it. I'm really excited. Okay, let's start the test. I don't have anything tailor-made for this, that's why we have zip ties. Okay, that should protect my already once broken phone. Okay, now comes the big test. We're gonna take the Mavic into the woods on the bike. Okay, that is legitimately incredible, and my mind was just blown. Like, it was actually dodging the trees, and I put it through heck out here. If you've seen, there's branches all over the place, but it was dodging the actual trees like that. DJI, I'm legitimately impressed right now. Like, I thought when I saw the ad pass system, I was like, oh, it's gonna move a little bit. Their demonstration didn't really wow me, but holy cow. Okay, we gotta go back to the house, check out this footage. I hope it saved it. I hope it saved it. This thing also will not wreck. Like, it just won't crash. I had this thing tangled up. Oh, I broke one of the props. I had this thing tangled up in branches. It would start to fall, but it would always right itself. That is incredible. It did legitimately wreck once, so hopefully the footage is saved. Like on the Spark, whenever I would wreck it, the footage would just go away, but... Oh, okay. Let's head back to the house. Let's keep talking about it. I cannot wait to check this footage. Mind blown. Mind blown. Whew. So I just had a chance to review the footage. You guys have already seen it. So what are my thoughts on the Mavic Air's obstacle avoidance? This thing actually avoids obstacles. It's amazing. It's seriously, I don't want to speak in hyperbole right now, but it's seriously amazing. Like, I cannot believe that it comes up to an obstacle and it avoids it. And if there's another one, it avoids it again. Like, it's incredible that this actually works. This is what I wanted the Spark to be. Oh, DJI. I mean, I'm not sponsored by DJI. I bought this myself. Nobody's paying me to say this, but DJI, good job. Like, whew. I cannot believe the technology we have today. Like, this is the future. And it's today. Like, I'm gushing a little bit, but man, I'm just so impressed. I'm so impressed it actually works. Now, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. I did crash a whole bunch today, like 4 or 5 times. I mean, I broke one of the props. You probably saw that on my Twitter feed. So it's not perfect, but the main problem was it would zig from one obstacle into a branch. I don't hold it against it. There were a lot of branches, and it had some problems with them. I can barely see all the branches, and I run into branches all the time when I'm mountain bike riding, let alone a drone that's autonomously flying behind me. So, yes, it wrecked. Not a big deal. If you have a place with just trees that don't have a lot of branches, or you have some obstacles you just want it to avoid, like pillars or something, this would be amazing. Hands down, I'm so impressed. I can't believe it works. Yes. We have come so far in the 7 months since the last video, so whew. So good. Well, if you like this video, go ahead and share it on your favorite brand of social media. Also, click that subscribe button down below. We do tech videos every Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern. Well, hey, I'm the Everyday Dad, and if I can figure out that I'm in love, legitimately in love with the Mavic Air, I mean, you've already figured it out because you've seen my last 2 videos. Thanks for watching.